firstly, let's take out the tripod. There have totally 5, and we need to open it one by one. Okay, slowly to open the first one, the second one, the third one, and then slowly to make it straight here. Connect here. It's not needed too much. Just hold on, it's okay. And then pick it up and hold it. Then here I have a suggestion to make the tripod make the next hair will be good. Secondly, let's pick up all the base station and the repeater. The base station has the number behind. See the number? Okay, this is the repeater. Let's industrial. Okay, take closer. Okay, this is the repeater, and then let's put on the batteries. See, the battery. Okay, and then let's set up all the base station and the repeater on the tractor here. Okay, after industrial all the base station and the repeater, we can see the numbers of the base station. And the suggestion for 10 Litebee stars, we can find a place 8 times to 8 meter to make a square. And the number is 0 at here, and the number 1, number 2, and number 3. I will show you. Okay. We just finished to put all the base station. We can see here is the A0, and here there is the A number 1, A number 2, and this way A number 3. And for each one, need to face, like the A0 face to A2, and the number A1 need to face number A3. Okay, this is a totally square. And the repeater suggests to put on the front of the stage. So this side will be front of the stage. Okay, let's open the case of all the Litebee Star drones. We can see each box have 10 Litebee stars and 30 batteries. And here is a user menu and 3 chargers, and also some parts. Okay, next step, let's set up all the drones. Okay, let's just put the battery on. Okay, this is the totally 10 drones we put on the batteries and just put them here one by one. Okay, let's turn on all the base station. Hold down the button until the LED light become green. Okay, that's okay. Let's turn on one by one the totally 4 base stations. Then let's turn on the repeater. We can see the LED light. The first light means the battery power, green means full. If this one become to red, the battery power will be lower. And the second light is not light now. This is mean when we connect to the base station will become green. And the last one light means the repeater connect with the computer. If not connect, will be red. If connected, will become green. Okay, and now let's calibration the repeater to the base station. Just double click. The lights will be shining, shining, shining. Okay, until the light become green, that means it's completed calibration. Let's open the software the Litebee team sent to you, the Litebee client. Choose the software, click. And the language will be based on your computer system. And also you can choose the language here, to Chinese, to English, or Japanese. And now we choose the English. Login. Here have 3 modules we can see. The first is design module, and the preview module, and the control module. Let's choose the control module to control all the drones. The first time we connect with the UWB module, we can choose here. This is the router, click it. This is the UWB module, and click it. This is the USB charger. And now we need to choose the UWB module. And choose the case, the number suitable for your drones. Now we choose the 10 Litebee Stars. Okay, you can see here I have 10 drones not connected. Let's connect all the drones. You can see here the single is very good. And here connecting the number means the drones connected. Okay, now let's connect it to the drones. And here is a suggestion. When you get all the Litebee Star drones, suggestion you can put a number label for each drone, like a number 1, number 2. You can make a remark or put a label, the number 1, number 2. So the first time we connect, we need to turn on the drones one by one and follow the numbers, for example. Because this computer never connected with all the drones, and the computer need to remember all the drones number. So let's turn on the first drone. Hold down the button. Then until the number 1 showed on the software. Okay, here you can see this is the drone number 1 information. Let's turn on the second one. Until here shows the number 2 information. Okay, the number 2 is connected. And as so on, turn on the number 3. So here I have a question. Why don't we turn on all the 10 drones for one time? Because the system software have know the IDs for all the drones. So the first time we need to turn on one by one. Okay, before send the task, we need to the final check of the base station. Let's click a drone, no matter any drones, no matter which one, and we can see the time value here. If the value is still changed to more bigger numbers, that means the base station have no problem. If the number have no change, only one value, that means is one base station, is not calibration. And if there have no number, that means the base station have no turn on. Okay, and if we need to put on the drone's position, we can click the preview. Here have the position suggestion, so you can see. Okay, here is a turn drone's position. You can see the number 1 to 10. Okay, this is a takeoff position suggestion. And then let's send the task. Let's connect it first. Okay, here you can see here have two LED lights, right? The first one means the drone connected to the base stations, and the second one means the mission not sent. If the second one become green, means the task will be sent successfully. Let's send the task. Okay, once we put on all the drones, we need to remind all the drone nose face to the front. Okay, and the totally 10 will be the same position. So number 1, and let's see the number 2. The nose will be front. Okay, all the drones. Okay, once we send the task, all the singles will become green. The first one and the second one. That means is the mission sent successfully. If the second one is not green, that means the mission is not sent. Please send again. Okay, now let's take off all the drones. We need to remind. Here have an emergency land button, so if any accidents, we can land all the drones in time. You can also click here, this down button, to the emergency landing. Okay, let's take off all the drones. You can see 3, 2, 1, 0.